So today we're checking out this stunning villa in Koh Samui. The name of the hotel is called the Ritz Carlton, and that's our villa number. So let's go in and have a look. Of course, you can already see the beach from here, and then let's walk down the stairs. I love the fact that you've got a sitting area outside here. So maybe if like you were wet or you're carrying a lot of stuff, you can put them here. Got your umbrella and the mats to the door. So let's check it out. So when you walk in from this side, we've got a little coffee station, some complimentary snacks that I'm gonna try out later, and then the menu for the bar. So whatever you eat from the bar, you have to pay for it if it's not part of the complimentary stuff. Got our glasses there, and that's where the bar fridge is. Okay, and then going further is the nice living area situation here. Just show you from this angle. This is how it looks like. And the TV. Okay. And the hotel gave us a little welcome coconut drink. My favorite macarons. So I'll be indulging on that later. Okay. It's a good enough size for 2 people, you know. Okay, and then from there, let's go to the bedroom. Look at how stunning this bedroom is. And they've also provided us with the complimentary his and hers hats. That's for hubby, and that's for me during our stay. Love the detail. And we've got our own TV that we can watch from the bedroom. And let's look at that design. It's giving Eiffel Tower the shape. But yeah, maybe that's where we should be going next. But yeah. Okay. So now we go to the bathroom area. This is how it looks. It is also overlooking the beautiful view that I'm gonna show you in a second. Okay, and we've got a bit of a garden area situation here. I'll show you. It's not that big, but you know. For those people who love the greenery, scenery with Talulu. Okay, and that's the view again from this angle. stunning, right? And of course that's me. Okay, and then going over here, we've got a toilet, fairly a good size. We've got some wardrobe, 4 doors wardrobe. We'll go back a bit. I won't open in there because we've got all our luggage and our clothes and our bikinis. Yeah, and then we've got a shower. Okay, and they've also provided us with the nice gowns. I'm already wearing one, so yeah. Now let's check out the pool area, the outside of this villa. Okay, that's the outdoor shower, so that once you're done with swimming, you can come and have a shower here. We've got our own lounge beds. How stunning. Okay. And my favorites on this villa, we've got our own private pool overlooking the ocean. How nice. It's definitely giving vacation, relaxation, you know, just being in the moment. And then I'll show you our deck, where we'll probably be watching our sunsets and sunrise. I'm not sure about the sunrise because we're not early birds, but we'll see. But just have a look. And that's the view. Isn't that stunning? Would you come here? What do you think? What do you think? Okay. I'll catch you on the other side. Let me enjoy this place. And yeah, danko.